it is important to contextualize the court case and remind ourselves that the genesis of the court case is the Water Efficient Maize for Africa project, WEMA, launched as far back as 2008. The goal of the WEMA project was to produce, using both genetic engineering and conventional hybrid breeding, drought-tolerant maize varieties for small-scale farmers in sub-Saharan Africa, purported to be a climate-smart solution. WEMA was funded to the tune of $85 million by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the Howard Buffett Foundation, and USAID. Its key partners included Monsanto, now Bayer, the International Maize and Wheat Improvement Center Summit, and the National Agricultural Research Systems in each of the WEMA countries, namely Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, Mozambique, and Uganda. Project partners have agreed to make available their best maize germplasm lines, with Monsanto donating the drought-tolerant maize gene. For us, it was a new GE trait, which made it all the more compelling for intervention, given that drought tolerance in plants is an extremely complex phenomenon. Furthermore, the WEMA project sits at the apex of efforts to completely transform African agricultural systems via its breeding program, which draws upon decades of research carried out by public research breeders for the public good. WEMA ultimately aims to shift the focus and ownership of maize breeding, seed production, and marketing almost exclusively into the domain of the private sector, and in the process ensnare small-scale farmers into the adoption of GM and hybrid maize varieties and their accompanying synthetic fertilizers and pesticides.